Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you will sketch the rim model. The sketch is on the right. So let's start. Starting a new part document. Choose the new button from the menu bar. The new SolidWorks document dialog box is displayed. Choose the new button. The part button is chosen by default in this dialog box. Choose the OK button. A new SolidWorks part document is started. Choose the OK button. Creating the base feature. Choose the sketch button from the sketch command manager. So we are already in the sketch command manager. Select the sketch button. Select the right plane as the sketching plane from the drawing area. Select the right plane. Choose the center line tool from the line flyout in the sketch command manager. Go to line flyout. Select the center line. In options, select infinite length. Next, draw the vertical and horizontal center line by specifying its start and end points. Choose OK button. From the drawing area, select the vertical center line. Choose Tools, Sketch Tools, Dynamic Mirror. From the SolidWorks menus, the vertical center line is converted to a mirror line and the dynamic mirror option is activated. Go to Tools, Sketch Tools, then Dynamic Mirror. Then press the S key. A shortcut toolbar is displayed with a set of tools and choose the line button from the shortcut toolbar. Select the line tool. Next, move the cursor horizontally toward the right and specify the endpoint of the line when its length above the line cursor show a value close to 38. Click on the origin. Drag your mouse horizontally right to value 38. Next, move the cursor vertically upward and specify the endpoint of the line when the length of the line on the line cursor displays a value close to 63.5. Move the line cursor horizontally toward the left and specify the endpoint of the line when the length above the line cursor show a value close to 32. Move the line cursor upward and specify the endpoint of the line when the length of the line on the line cursor displays a value close to 152.5. Next, move the line cursor horizontally toward the right. Specify the endpoint of the line when its length above the line cursor shows a value close to 7. Move the line cursor away from the endpoint of the last line and then move it back to the endpoint of the last line. The arc mode is invoked. Next, press the left mouse button when the angle value above the arc cursor shows 50 and the radius show a value close to 5 to complete the arc. Move the line cursor such that the line show the tangent relation with the arc and the length of the line displays a value close to 5.1 above the cursor. Press the left mouse button when the angle value above the arc cursor shows 50 and the radius show a value close to 6 to complete the arc. Next, move the line cursor horizontally towards the right and specify the endpoint of the line when the length of the line on the line cursor displays a value close to 18. Repeat the steps 13 through 16 and draw the tangent arc and the inclined line. Zoom in the drawing display area. Move the line cursor vertically upward and specify the endpoint of the line when the length of the line above the line cursor display a value close to 2.5. Similarly, draw the other entities of the revolved sketch. This is how our sketch will look after creating all the other entities of the revolved sketch. Next, adding the required sketch relations. Apply all the relations and dimension required for the sketch. For which, go to Smart Dimension, click here and put the value 76, 63, 32. After applying all the relations and dimension, this is how our sketch will look like. Now it is fully defined. Next, exit from the sketcher environment by clicking on the confirmation corner available on the upper right corner of the drawing area. Next, revolving the sketch, switch to the Features Command Manager by choosing the Features tab from the Command Manager. We are in the Sketch Command Manager. Select the Features Command Manager. Choose the Revolve Boss Base button from the Features Command Manager. The Revolve Property Manager is displayed at the left side of the drawing area. Choose the Revolve Boss Base button. Select the horizontal center line. As an axis of revolution, preview of the revolve feature is displayed in the drawing area. In the axis of revolution, select the horizontal line. Make sure that the blind option is selected in the revolve type drop down list and value 360 is set in the direction 1 angle spinner of the direction 1 rollout of the property manager. In direction 1 it's blind and angle is 360. Next, creating the cut feature, switch to the Sketch Command Manager by clicking on the Sketch tab in the Command Manager. Choose the Sketch Command Manager. Choose the Sketch button from the Sketch Command Manager. The Edit Sketch Property Manager is displayed and you are prompted to select a sketching plane. Select the Sketch button. Select the front planar face of the revolve feature as the sketching plane. The sketcher environment is invoked. Select the front planar face of the revolve feature. Choose the center line button from the line flyout in the Sketch Command Manager. Go to line flyout, select the center line. Move the cursor vertically upward from the origin and specify the endpoint of the center line when it crosses all the edges of the revolve feature. Choose the 3-point arc button from the arc flyout. The cursor is replaced by the 3-point arc cursor. Go to 3-point arc flyout. Select the 3-point arc button. Move the cursor towards a point where the innermost circular edge of the revolve feature and the center line intersect, and then click the left mouse button to specify the start point of the arc. For which, zoom in, click here. Move the cursor upward toward the right and specify the endpoint of the arc when the edge of the revolve feature that measure diameter 432. Next, move the cursor downwards toward the right to a small distance and specify a point on the circumference of the arc where radius above the cursor show a value closer to 110. Similarly, create a 3-point arc on the left side of the center line. Now we will mirror it, for which select the mirror entities. Entities to mirror, select this arc, and mirror above, select this center line. Select the OK button. Next, create one more 3-point arc by specifying its start and end point using the end point of the existing arc and then point of the circumference when the edge of the revolve feature that measure diameter 432 will be highlighted. Select 3-point arc, select the end point, click OK. Invoke the Add Relations property manager by choosing the Add Relation button from the Display and Delete Relation flyout in the Sketch command manager. Select the Display and Delete Relations and then Add Relations. Select endpoint of the arc and the center line of the drawing area. Choose the Symmetric button from the Add Relation rollout of the property manager to apply the symmetric relations. Next, select the arc 1 and arc 2 from the drawing area and then choose the Equal button from the Add Relation rollout of the property manager to apply the equal relation. Select the arc 1 and arc 2, add relation, equal. Choose OK. Next, select the arc 3 from the drawing area and then select the circular edge of the revolve feature having 432 as the value of diameter. Next, choose the cordial button from the add relation rollout. Select arc 3 and here add relation cordial. OK. Choose the Smart Dimension button from the Sketch command manager and then apply a radius dimension of 110 mm to the arc 1. Go to Smart Dimension, select arc 1, put the value 110, select arc 3 and add a dimension with the value of 196 in the dialog box. The entire sketch will turn black, showing that it is fully defined. Put the value 196, choose OK. Next, exit from the sketching environment by clicking on the confirmation corner or by choosing the Exit Sketch button from the Sketch command manager. Choose the Extruded Cut button from the Features command manager. The Extrude property manager is displayed. Select the sketch from the drawing area. A preview of cut feature is displayed in the drawing window. Also, the Extrude property manager is modified to Cut Extrude property manager. Go to Extrude Cut. Select the sketch. Next, right click in the drawing area. A shortcut menu is displayed. Select Up to Next from it. Right click, select Up to Next. Choose the OK button from the property manager. Next, patterning the feature. Choose the Circular Pattern button from the Linear Pattern flyout in the Features command manager. the circular pattern property manager is displayed. From Features Command Manager, go to Linear Pattern Flyout and select the Circular Pattern button. Select the cut feature from the drawing area or from the Feature Manager design tree. Display on the left of the drawing area. Open the Feature Manager design tree. Select Cut Extrude 1. Click once in the Pattern Axis selection box in the Direction 1 rollout of the Circular Pattern Property Manager to activate its selection mode, and then select the circular edge of the revolve feature. Click here and click here. Set the value of number of instances spinner to 3 and make sure that the equal spacing checkbox is selected. Put the value 3 and equal spacing. Choose the OK button from the Circular Pattern Property Manager. Creating the next feature, choose the Extruded Cut button from the Features Command Manager. The Extruded Property Manager is displayed on the left of the drawing area, and you are prompted to select the sketching plane. Choose the Extruded Cut. Select the front face of the revolve feature as a sketching plane. The sketcher environment is invoked. Draw the sketch of the cut feature using the sketch tools available in the Sketch Command Manager. Also apply the required relations and dimensions, for which go to Line drop down, select Center Line, click on the origin and create one vertical center line. Again go to Line drop down, select Center Line, and here go to Smart Dimension and give an angle 60 and here 28. Click OK. Now create two circles from origin. Smart Dimension, select the outer circle and put the value 206 into 2, and for the inner circle put the value 73 into 2. Click OK. Now go to 3-point arc tool, select 3-point arc, click here and here. Give it a relation coincident and concentric. Now we will mirror it. Go to Mirror Entities. Entities to mirror, select this arc, and Mirror About, select this center line. Click OK. Now we will trim the unwanted entities in the sketch, for which select the Trim Entity button from the Sketch Command Manager. Trim here, trim here. Next, patterning the cut feature. Invoke the Circular Pattern Property Manager by choosing the Circular Pattern button from the Linear Pattern Flyout. We are in the Features Command Manager. Go to Linear Pattern Flyout, select the Circular Pattern button. Create a circular pattern of the previously created cut feature with 3 instances at equidistance. In the Feature and Faces, go to Design Tree, select Cut Extrude to, number of instances 3, equal spacing, and in direction, select here and click OK. Next, creating the mirror feature, choose the mirror button from the Features Command Manager. The Mirror Property Manager is displayed and you are prompted to select a plane or planar face about which the feature is to be mirrored. We are in the Features Command Manager. Go to Linear Pattern Flyout and select the mirror button. Expand the Feature Manager design tree, then select the front plane from the Feature Manager design tree as the mirroring plane. From the Feature Manager design tree, select the front plane. Select the previously created circular pattern feature, that is Circular Pattern 2, from the Feature Manager design tree. The name of the selected feature is displayed in the Features to Mirror selection box in the Features to Mirror rollout of the Property Manager. Select the Circular Pattern 2. Choose the OK button from the Mirror Property Manager. Creating the next feature, choose the Extruded Cut button from the Features Command Manager. The Extrude Property Manager is displayed on the left of the drawing area and you are prompted to select the sketching plane. From the Features Command Manager, select the Extruded Cut button. Select the front planar face of the base feature as the sketching plane. The sketcher environment is invoked. Draw a circle of diameter 108 mm by specifying its center point at the origin, for which go to Circle tool, click on the origin and drag your mouse outwards. Click OK. Go to Smart Dimension and dimension it. Put the value 108. Choose OK. Exit from the sketch environment. The Cut Extrude Property Manager is displayed at the left of the drawing area. Exit from here. Select the Up to Surface option from the End Condition drop-down list in the Cut Extrude Property Manager. Select the inner surface of the cut feature from the drawing area. Choose the OK button from the Cut Extrude Property Manager. Next, mirroring the feature, invoke the Mirror Property Manager by choosing the Mirror button from the Feature Command Manager. From the Features Command Manager, go to Linear Pattern Flyout and select the Mirror button. Next, select the front plane as the mirroring plane and the previously created cut feature from the Feature Manager design tree. Click here. Open Feature Manager design tree and select front plane. Features to mirror, cut extrude. Select the geometric pattern checkbox from the option rollout in the Mirror Property Manager. From options, click here, geometric pattern. Choose the OK button from the Mirror Property Manager. The mirror is created. Click OK. Next, creating the cut feature, invoke the sketcher environment by selecting the face and create a circle of diameter 51. Click on the face. Choose the sketch button. choose the circle tool, click on the origin, drag your mouse outwards and create one circle, choose OK. Now dimension it, click on the circle, put the value 51, click OK. Exit from the sketcher environment and create the cut feature by using the extruded cut tool. Exit from here, select the extruded cut tool, change it to through all, choose the OK button. Next, creating the extrude feature, choose the extruded boss base button from the features command manager. The extrude property manager is displayed at the left of the drawing area and you are prompted to select a sketching plane. From the features command manager, select the extruded boss base button, select the sketching plane and draw the sketch of the extrude. For sketching plane, select here. Now draw the sketch, go to line tool, select center line, click on the origin, create one vertical line, go to center rectangle, select here, and on the center line, create one rectangle. Go to smart dimension, click on the origin, click here, and put the value 36. Click this line and this line, put the value 18, click OK. Choose the circle, convert entities, select the trim entities, zoom in, trim here, here and here, choose OK. Exit from the sketcher environment, exit from here, choose the reverse direction button available at the left of the end condition drop down list in the property manager. Click here, choose the up to next option from the end condition drop down list in the direction 1 rollout of the property manager. From in the end condition, select up to next, choose the OK button from the property manager. Next, creating the cut feature, choose the extruded cut button. The extrude property manager is displayed on the left of the drawing area and you are prompted to select the sketching plane. From the features command manager, select the extruded cut button, select the front planar face of the previously created extruded feature as the sketching plane. The sketcher environment is invoked. Zoom in, click here. Draw a circle of diameter 8.9, for which go to circle tool, zoom in, create a circle, click OK, go to smart dimension, click on the origin, click on the circle and put the value 44.45, click on the circle, put the value 8.9. Our sketch is not fully defined. To make it fully defined, click on the origin and circle center and give a relation vertical. Click OK. So now it is fully defined. Exit from the sketcher environment. Exit. Make sure that the blind option is selected in the end condition drop down list. End condition should be blind. Next, set the value of the depth spinner to 25 in the direction 1. In direction 1, here put the value 25. Choose the OK button from the property manager. Click OK. Next, patterning the features. Choose the circular pattern button from the linear pattern flyout in the features command manager. The circular pattern property manager is displayed. From features command manager, select the linear pattern flyout, then select the circular pattern button. Select the last two features, boss extrude 1 and cut extrude 5 from the feature manager design tree. The name of the last selected features are displayed in the features to pattern selection box of the property manager. Select the boss extrude 1, cut extrude 5. Click in the pattern axis selection area and select the circular edge of the base feature. Click here. Set the value of number of instances spinner to 5 and make sure that the equal spacing checkbox is selected in the parameters rollout of the property manager. Here, number of instances will be 5. Equal spacing. Choose the OK button from the circular pattern property manager. Choose the OK button. Applying the fillet features, choose the fillet button from the features command manager. The fillet property manager is displayed. From features command manager, choose the fillet button. Select the required edges of the model to be filleted. And set the value of radius spinner to 5. Choose the OK button from the property manager. So this is how our model will appear once all the steps have been completed. Next, saving the model. Invoke the Save As dialog box by choosing the Save button from the menu bar and browse to the location of motorcycle project folder. Also, enter the name of the model as RIM in the file name edit box and choose the Save button from the dialog box. Now go to Save As button, choose the save, go to motorcycle project folder, name it as RIM. Choose the save button. Thanks for watching the video.